Morning, folks. Today is another job day on the site by the lake, and we're trying to get this done. We're changing the top deck, actually refurbishing it. We are changing the design of it. We're putting a key link, a different link into the deck compared to what they have, so we're using longer wood. So it gives it more like a straighter look. Most carpenters don't really fool with it, because then to keep a straight look on a beam is on a long distance, it's not easy. But if you take your time, most likely you'll get it done. So we go in straight back. The deck is about 30 something feet long, 27 feet wide in certain areas, and other areas is about 10 feet. But today I'm going to show you all how to remove the staircase. We're taking off the floor. I'm going to show you how to remove it without damaging the bottom column, the structure what is holding the woods together, because usually people use a grubber and rip that up. It's best to take the screws out or the nails out if you can. The easy way to really deal with this job is to use a jigsaw. You could cut underneath the wood, a metal cutter, cut the nails, skim them. Just remember, you skim them holes, you can just cut it off and just pull it up and pack them up neatly. But in case you don't have them tools, I want to show you how to do it without ripping up and tearing up the beam, because we don't want this. We don't want this beam like this. We don't want this structure here to be ripped open. We want everything to look as simple as, because this is old wood. They painted it at one time, they treated it, painted it, so it helped preserve it. But when you take it up with a crowbar, this is the damage you could do to the wood. So we're trying to avoid that. We want it to look as simple as this. Basically, with the only structure it has in there. If you see where I did this one was already like this. So we're trying to keep it like that without having any chips or anything breaking off of it. So I'm going to show you how to take this up in a quick little short video, how to remove it. You just get a hammer, try to get a nail, and depends on the lock, because a lot of the Star-Shock screws is different. So compared to other screws, nails, a common thing would be used basically in the Bahamas. I'm in the States right now, helping a friend out with a deck. Just trying to help them out. But the weather is not working with us, but the scenery is amazing. It's a very beautiful place. So we're trying to make the best of it. It's a solid deck. Get back to you.